So this is going to be a super quick video. In my video about how I am starting my cut, I mentioned this TDEE calculator. Learn how many calories you burn every day. So every day you burn a certain amount of calories. This is a very good calculator to just understand how much you burn just normally, your maintenance level of calories. So all you have to do is put in your gender, how old you are. I am 22. I've used this recently. So I am 171 pounds. I am 5'8". Activity. This is where you got to put in some thought. If you are like me and you work out 6 days a week, do not put heavy exercise. When these calculators think heavy exercise, if you put heavy exercise, you're doing cardio. Since we don't do cardio, we don't, sorry, since we don't use heavy cardio as our form of heavy exercise, I think you should be doing cardio on the side, but it's not heavy exercise. You're not doing it 6 to 7 days a week, especially if you're on a cut. If you're doing weightlifting, you're not doing heavy exercise because your heart rate's not very high. Your heart rate's not very high, so you're not burning that many calories. So if you are going 6 days a week or 5 days a week or anywhere around that number, weightlifting, do moderate exercise. You could do, yeah, just do moderate. I think light is too little. Body fat, if you know your body fat percentage, and just hit calculate. That's it. Then it's going to tell you your maintenance level of calories. If you want to be on a cut, eat 500 calories less than this. 2,200 to 2,500 calories. 2,200 if you want to go 500 calories lower. 2,500 if you want to go 200 calories lower. Actually, yeah, whatever. See, as you can see, if you hit heavy exercise, it's going to think you're burning, your maintenance level is 3,000 calories per day. That's a little high, especially for me. That's very high for me. BMI score, you can ignore that. That doesn't really mean anything. If you do know your body fat percentage, this is going to be more accurate. So for me, I actually know a general number for my body fat percentage, which is 22. Recalculate, 2,600 calories per day. I think when I first calculated this, when I first got on my cut back just a little over a week ago, I used this and it said my calories per day was 2,500 calories. So I need to eat 2,500 calories to not go up in weight and to not go down in weight. Because I'm on a cut, I'm going to eat 500 calories less, so I'm going to eat 2,000 calories in per day. If you are in a bulk, eat 500 calories more. Eat 3,000 calories in per day. Use this calculator. Understand, figure out, realize what your maintenance level of calories is. For the longest time, I didn't even calculate this number. I had no idea what my maintenance level of calories is. I was bulking since the beginning of my journey, up until just like a week ago. That was over 4 years. I didn't know what my maintenance level of calories was. I knew it was around 2,000 or 3,000. That's a really big range, but I didn't even bother to calculate it. I didn't have a number to shoot for while I was bulking. That's why I bulk so slow. That's why I bulk so slow. I bulked without having good aim. I didn't know where I was going. If you don't know where you're going, you don't make progress as fast. Now that I'm cutting, I know what I need to eat per day to cut. So yeah, this is a super simple calculator. Figure out your maintenance level of calories. If you don't know your maintenance level of calories, you're not going to know how many calories you need to eat per day to gain weight or to lose weight. Then you're not going to know what to do. You're not going to know what number to go for. You know what to do. Get up and get after it.